So finally back home, back to car stuff. Japan's been pretty crazy. I mean, we literally spent a month in Japan, 2 weeks in January, 2 weeks in February. And now we're back. Everyone got sick and we raged, and yeah, it was pretty memorable. I highly suggest you guys attend Tokyo Auto Salon or Osaka Auto Messe, but we are back at it. We have a bunch of parts for the Tegi build. I got a lot of inspo from checking out all the time attack cars and all the cool Hondas in Osaka. So we have a few things here that we're going to change up up front here. So we have a race bed splitter that's obviously not installed on here right now, but it's kind of like my AZ1, this stuff right here. So it's basically like wood. Oh, you see this scratch? This is some dude that kicked my car at SEMA accidentally. So yeah, SEMA, even though it's an industry event, people are pretty dang klutzy, dude. So yeah, sucky. But we're gonna update the splitter on the DC with a new version with the new end plates. And then I also need to extend this little flap down because you know what's funny? The old splitter, can't even talk. The old splitter used to sit literally this bottom line right here. But since this lip right here by Crow House is insanely low, now I gotta move my splitter down another ½ inch or so. So yeah, this car is pretty dang low, dude. And under compression, this front end actually goes down a good amount, even though I have 18K springs up front. And on top of that, that's a good segue, we have new MCS coilovers that we're going to be replacing these Motons. So yeah, I have Motons on here right now, Moton 3-ways, amazing coilovers, amazing brand. I've used them for many years. I actually have them on all of my cars, but I want to try out something different just to see the difference. So yeah, new splitter, new aero up front, new coilovers, and then more interior stuff that we're going to switch up. And also we're going to be swapping out the electronics to this car to Haltech, and I got a whole Haltech R3, I forgot. I'm so bad with my freaking brands right now. It's too late, dude. I literally got back home today and I just went out for a full mile run. But yeah, we're gonna do a Haltech on here. It's gonna work with my Rywire harness. I'm not sure if you guys have seen the engine bay, but if you're new to this channel or you just got served this video, I do have a pretty fancy engine that's very OE plus. I mean, I didn't do any wire tucking, I didn't do any shaving. It looks like it's wire tucked because I just literally cut everything that I don't need on this engine. So we're going to be doing Haltech and most likely coil on plugs, since the Haltech works with that, and these are becoming very rare. This is actually a brand new Dizzy, so I want to save that. But yeah, gonna be a lot of work to do on this car. And then also we're gonna be working on the front bumper on the Miata. That's been long overdue. And also making updates to the BMW. I know, it's way too many projects here. I think I gotta cut this video in half. But we do have a new BMW project. Some of you guys that haven't seen the updates, look at this bad boy. Woo! This is the S1000RR M package, carbon package, Baller Edition. Baller Edition, I didn't make that up. The dealership actually had that on the Moroni label. But yeah, it's got all the carbon bits, carbon wheels. So we're gonna be doing the exhaust on this thing soon. So yeah, a lot of updates to come, a lot of freaking projects. And I'm trying to catch up with everything. So stay tuned.